everybody, welcome to Henry Studios, and today we're making a traditional omelet. And so we're gonna just start cracking the eggs. Throw this away over here. When we were at our beach house last week, my mom made these really good omelets. She made these really good omelets with bacon, peppers, and all sorts of stuff. It was really good. So now we're gonna mix these eggs up. Try and pop the yolks, because then it's better when you mix. And you want to mix until it's looking super good, with no of the white stuff in there. Let's do it for a little bit more. You want it until it's not really goopy like this. Well, not as goopy. And it's probably good. Now we're going to put it in the pan. So that you put a little bit of cooking oil in there. Then you should put some butter on there for extra flavor, because it just makes it taste better. Now we're gonna dump this in. Ooh, I love that noise. It's great. Then you're gonna let it cook for a while, and you're gonna have it between medium and low heat at about 2 if you have an oven like ours. It's probably good. Yeah. So here's a tip. Put a cover on your egg while you're cooking it. And at restaurants, they don't even flip their omelets when they make an omelet. They just leave the cover on. And that's how they cook it. And then you'll have a better egg. Okay, now we're gonna sprinkle some cheese on, and we're gonna put green onion on at the end when it's already cooked. This is gonna be good. It's probably good. And then you can put a little bit of cheese on at the end. And now we're gonna put this back on and wait until the cheese melts. Then we're gonna flip it. We'll fold it like a cool omelet. And then we're gonna put green onion on it. It's gonna be fabulous.
Indeed.
Okay, so we just flipped it. We're gonna flip it for a little bit, and now I'm gonna put the rest of my cheese on. We're gonna fold it and turn off your heat. Ooh, that looks good. Now we're gonna add some green onion. And then take it off the heat. And if you want, just add as much green onion as you want. And then I always add a little bit of ground pepper and some salt. Okay, now I'm just gonna put it on the plate. If some green onion falls off by accident, that's okay. It's worked perfect. Now, just do that. Add some ground pepper. I like mine kind of chunky. It's probably good. Now we're gonna add a sprinkle of salt. And that's your omelet. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. And yeah, see you soon. That concludes the omelet.